Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this metal pieces from my glass tabletop. So there was a table sitting there with broken legs and I want to reuse the glass top. So we will use heat, so we'll heat up the table, the metal pieces, and then to melt the glue, and then it will come off quite easily. I'll show you how I have done it, and then I'm gonna reuse this glass tabletop to make another table, which I'll show you in my upcoming videos. So see how cute my candle is. So we'll we will lit the candles, and now I'm gonna put these candles right under the metal pieces, which are so hard that they don't come off easily. So we need to melt it. See, I'm gonna fix it so that the heat goes exactly to the metal top, and here as well. Oh, but I later I realized that these are just the pieces laying around because two of them were already broken. So these are the small pieces under which I'm putting, and now after heating it up for around 20 minutes, see, it comes off easily. So I just pushed it with a knife and it came off easily. But this one is a stronger one. It needs more heat, so I'm gonna keep it there for more time. And now after I'm checking it after around 30 minutes, and let's see, so it's hot, but let's see if it comes out or it needs more heat. uh, no, it didn't. So now I'm coming back after around 50 minutes and it is shaky. Oh, yeah, so it came off easily, see.